Well, we're obviously got the fire going. Gotta wait for it to die down some before putting the pan on. And I already got my hamburger patties seasoned. Well, that's it right now, so just gotta wait for this to die down. Well, and that jug is just water, it's not milk. Yeah, I should say it's a little after 6:30 right now. And sunset is, I think, 6:46 or 6:47, something like that. Like 10 to 7, about. Pretty close to that. Boy, it's nice. Got nobody right next to me at all. I got everything ready over there. And what's funny is, I thought I had remembered everything, and I had forgot a loaf of bread, but my brother brought that. And just a little while ago, I realized I do not have my my pullover hoodie, long sleeves. I don't have that with. I thought it was in the back of the van, but it was not. So I don't have any long sleeves at all to wear when it's on these kind of chilly nights. And in the morning, especially when I get out and for breakfast. Oh man. But I didn't even bring a jacket or anything because I thought I had that hoodie. That would have done the job just fine. But, oh well, I'm just going to have to deal with it. It's not super cold, though. That's a good thing. And I had a nice view. Camping, a campfire, a van, and a picnic table. Delicious. Wonderful. I'm glad I'm here. Okay, it's about 5 after 7. I've now got the light on now. Still not totally dark, but there's my cheeseburgers. Went with smaller buns this time from last time. But there we go. Time to chow down. Delicious. Talk to you later. Now I finished my cheeseburgers, had 2 of them. Now I'm sitting by the campfire again. It's gotten a little bit darker now. It's about 20 after 7, I think. Just taking it easy, waiting for the fire to go down. Then I'll start roasting marshmallows for s'mores. There we go. Now I'm ready to roast marshmallows. It's about 7:45 right now. And of course now it's dark. I'll zoom in and kind of light it up a little bit more and see better. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to roast marshmallows and make my s'mores. I don't think I'm going to film it, it's just too dark. Oh, well, I just finished up my s'mores. So I think I'm going to take and wrap up this video now and for the night. And so thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.